In the heart of the urban jungle, a sanctuary awaits. Here, amidst the symphony of honking horns and distant sirens, a haven of tranquility emerges. This is a garden house, a testament to the harmonious marriage of nature and modern design. Lush greenery spills over balconies, cascading down walls, blurring the lines between inside and outside. Sunlight filters through strategically placed skylights, painting the interior with dappled light. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer a seamless connection to the vibrant tapestry of the rooftop garden. Natural materials whisper stories of serenity. Weathered wood whispers of time, while polished concrete reflects the city's energy. The very essence of the outdoors is brought inside, creating a calming, textural haven. A gentle breeze carries the scent of blooming jasmine and fragrant herbs. The rhythmic chirping of birds replaces the city's chaotic noise. Here, time seems to slow down, inviting you to breathe deeply and reconnect with nature. This garden house is more than just a structure, it's a state of mind. It's a testament to the power of design to create an oasis, a peaceful retreat in the heart of the bustling city. Imagine waking up to the sunrise filtering through the leaves, sipping your coffee on the balcony surrounded by fragrant blossoms. Imagine escaping the everyday chaos and finding solace in this haven of nature and modern design. This garden house is an invitation. An invitation to slow down, to reconnect with oneself and the natural world, right at the heart of the city. Step inside. The line where house ends and garden begins blurs, a watercolor wash of green bleeding through expansive windows. Sunlight streams in, a warm embrace on polished wood floors. Lush foliage, a vibrant tapestry woven outside, becomes an ever-present guest peering through the generous glass facades. This isn't just a house, it's an extension of the living, breathing world that surrounds it. The air itself feels different here, infused with the earthy musk of stone and the clean, crisp scent of the outdoors. Natural materials, the honeyed warmth of wood, the cool serenity of stone, create a symphony of texture and tone, a soothing melody for the soul. Light, the conductor of this symphony, bathes the interior in a golden glow, washing away the harsh lines that so often define human-made spaces. Modernity whispers in the clean lines of the design, a quiet confidence that doesn't need to shout. Sophistication is evident in the thoughtful integration of technology, seamlessly woven into the fabric of this natural haven. But here, nature remains the star. Every element, from the strategically placed windows to the carefully chosen materials, pays homage to its beauty. Imagine curling up with a book in a sun-drenched corner, the rustle of leaves a comforting lullaby. Picture yourself preparing a meal, the scent of fresh herbs mingling with the warmth of the kitchen. This is a space that invites connection, not just with the vibrant world outside, but with the peace and tranquility that resides within. This is the garden house, a captivating portrayal of where the built environment surrenders to the majesty of nature, a sanctuary where the boundaries between inside and outside dissolve, leaving only a sense of harmony and belonging. Step into a sanctuary where the lines between inside and outside melt away. This open living space embraces the beauty of nature, seamlessly integrating the vibrant garden with the calming comfort of home. Natural materials like wood and woven textures create a sense of warmth, while the muted color palette reflects the tranquility of the outdoors. Light spills in through expansive glass walls, blurring the boundaries and inviting the garden inside. This space is as functional as it is beautiful. The kitchen seamlessly blends with the living area, creating a perfect environment for entertaining or enjoying quiet mornings amidst the greenery. Every corner is designed for relaxation. Here, a quiet reading nook beckons with its plush cushions and warm overhead lighting, offering a perfect retreat to lose yourself in a book while surrounded by nature's symphony. The seamless flow between indoors and outdoors encourages effortless connection with nature. Imagine waking up to the whispers of the breeze, savoring meals under the open sky, or unwinding with a cup of tea surrounded by the calming embrace of your own private oasis. Here, the cool embrace of stone flooring gives way to the vibrant tapestry of a hidden courtyard. Sunlight spills through strategically placed gaps in the minimalist facade, dappling a mesmerizing display of greenery. Notice how the clean lines of the house soften as they meet the explosion of life within. Climbing vines weave their way up the walls, blurring the distinction between structure and nature. Carefully curated plants of all shapes and sizes fill the space, a symphony of textures and colors. Tall ferns unfurl in shady corners, while cascading bougainvillea drapes over the edges of raised planters. Edible herbs brush against your fingertips as you navigate the meticulously designed walkways. The air itself hums with life, the gentle buzz of bees a welcome serenade in this urban haven. Step closer to the water feature that gurgles serenely in the center. Its soothing sound blends seamlessly with the chirping of birds hidden amongst the foliage. Here, the city fades away, replaced by the calming rhythm of nature. Look upwards. The strategic use of skylights bathes the interior spaces in a soft, natural glow. The clean lines of the furniture echo the minimalist facade, creating a sense of uncluttered peace. Yet, the warmth of woven textiles and natural wood accents ensures a connection to the verdant world outside. This garden house isn't just a dwelling, it's a testament to harmonious integration. It's where the pulse of the city meets the tranquility of nature, a luxurious escape nestled within the urban sprawl. Every detail, from the meticulously chosen plants to the seamless flow of space, reinforces this beautiful fusion. Imagine waking up to the gentle symphony of the courtyard, or unwinding after a long day with a cup of tea surrounded by flourishing life. This is a space that nourishes the soul, a testament to the transformative power of bringing nature into our everyday lives. We enter a haven of tranquility, a bedroom nestled within a garden house. Breathe in the scent of climbing roses clinging to the exterior walls, a hint of jasmine mingling with the crisp morning air. Pale linen curtains billow gently, framing a vibrant tableau. A lush courtyard unfolds before us, a riot of emerald green foliage punctuated by bursts of colorful blooms. Mature trees cast their shade over the scene, creating a cool, inviting space. Turning back to the room, we find a symphony of natural textures. Woven wicker chairs in a soft dove gray offer a place to curl up with a book, their curves echoing the organic flow of the garden outside. A chunky cream rug, handwoven from sustainable fibers, warms the cool stone floor underfoot. The king-sized bed, the centerpiece of the room, beckons with its luxurious simplicity. A crisp white linen duvet rests atop a platform frame crafted from reclaimed wood, its warm tones adding a touch of rustic charm. Fluffy pillows in shades of ivory and sage invite restful slumber. Storage solutions are ingenious and discreet. Built-in shelves made from the same reclaimed wood flank the bed, displaying nature-inspired artwork and a collection of well-loved novels. Woven baskets beneath the bed offer hidden storage for blankets and off-season clothing. Every detail here is designed to promote peace and rejuvenation. A woven pendant lamp casts a warm glow, its natural fibers echoing the textures found throughout the space. On the bedside table, a single white orchid in a simple clay pot adds a touch of understated elegance. This bedroom isn't just a place to sleep, it's a portal to nature's embrace. Imagine waking to the gentle rustle of leaves and the sweet chirping of birds. Picture curling up with a good book in the afternoon, the scent of blooming roses filtering through the window. Here, in this haven of serenity, the boundaries between indoors and out melt away, creating a haven of ultimate peace. Soft light filters through the expansive windows, casting dappled shadows across the polished stone floor. The earthy aroma of damp earth and blooming flowers mingles with the steam rising from a freestanding bathtub. We enter a sanctuary, a modern bathroom nestled within a garden house. Crafted from warm wood, the vanity boasts sleek countertops that echo the natural stone flooring. A single, floating orchid adds a touch of delicate beauty. Here, the act of preparing for the day becomes a moment of quiet contemplation amidst the verdant embrace of the garden. Sunlight spills through floor-to-ceiling glass doors, blurring the lines between interior and exterior. Lush greenery seems to cascade into the room, with ferns unfurling just beyond reach. Stepping through the doors, we find ourselves on a wooden deck, embraced by the vibrant symphony of the garden. A freestanding outdoor shower, enclosed by a lattice wall adorned with climbing vines, beckons with the promise of a truly immersive experience. Back inside, the freestanding bathtub beckons. Imagine sinking into its warm embrace, enveloped by the soothing sounds of nature. Birdsong fills the air, a gentle breeze carrying the scent of blooming roses. The garden becomes your personal spa, a place to unwind and reconnect with the natural world. A rainfall showerhead nestled within a corner lined with vertical gardens completes the picture of serenity. Here, the act of cleansing becomes a ritual of rejuvenation, washing away stress beneath the dappled sunlight filtering through the leaves. This bathroom is more than just a functional space, it's a portal to tranquility. Every detail, from the natural materials to the seamless connection with the outdoors, is designed to soothe the senses and foster a deep connection with nature. It's a place to breathe deeply, to let go of the day's worries, and to emerge feeling refreshed and revitalized. Find your own sanctuary within the city's pulse. Let the gentle murmur of leaves and the soft glow of natural light soothe your soul. Here, amidst the urban rhythm, a haven awaits, a testament to the beauty of balance. This is the integrated garden house, a masterpiece where nature and design intertwine. Welcome home.